guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, my album will be releasing soon, so stick around for that sometime in the next century. But anyways, I am coming at you guys today with a new video. Yay! So today's video is going to be all about white teeth. Yes! I decided to make this video because people are constantly complimenting me on my smile. Oh my god, your teeth are so white. What did you do? And it's not just in pictures, it's like everyday life. Like I'll go to the grocery store and the lady will be like, oh my gosh, your teeth are so white. And I'm like, okay, thank you. You know, and it's like they want to know, what is it that I do? And I don't do anything special, guys. I don't know. It's like I want to scream it from the roofs. There is nothing special I do that you can do too. Now, I'm not talking about spending any money. No, you don't have to buy expensive products or this and that. It is simple, easy, and just some quick maintenance things that you can do to make sure your pearly whites stay pearly and white. I've been obsessed with white teeth ever since my teens in Holland. Growing up, and I was getting involved in photo shoots, going on auditions, doing televised beauty pageants. Now, I've never seen a beauty queen with busted teeth, so I was kind of forced to have white teeth at all time, because when you go on that audition, you don't want to have to worry about, oh my god, my teeth, you know, because your confidence will go down the drain, and that's a no-no. So I had to be one of those smile girl on camera, that whole thing. You guys know what I mean. So I had to make sure my teeth were white. I refused to take any harsh methods or anything crazy and painful and anything like that. So all the tips and tricks that I use on a daily basis to this day are all things you could do right at home. And I am going to share with you every little thing I do to keep these babies Instagram ready. Yes. So, yeah, so stick around for this video. I hope it's helpful to you. No, I love you guys for all your sweet words and your comments and everything. I appreciate more than anything. It makes me even more excited and motivated to make these videos. So if you haven't done yet, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure you smile when you watch this video. And I hope these little tips and tricks work for you. So number one, brush your teeth.
So I'm not gonna lie, guys, I brush a lot and I always put a lot of toothpaste on my brush. So every time I brush, I use a whitening toothpaste. Now, I'm not going to name any brands because this video is absolutely not sponsored. I do change brands from time to time, but I kind of always like to try the newest whitening toothpaste that's out.
Number two, another thing I do regularly is chew gum that whitens your teeth.
I choose sugar-free teeth whitening gum like it's going out of style. And I've done so since my teens, which is when I developed a major addiction to the minty goodness. But guys, don't chew too many pieces in a day because some of the ingredients can upset your stomach and make you go number two in a very bad way. But I won't go into details, so guys, chew that gum.
Number three, watch what you eat.
Fruits like strawberries and apples are like a natural shower for your mouth and teeth. They contain malic acid, which will whiten your teeth. However, acid on your teeth for a long time is a bad idea because it wears on the enamel. So instead of rubbing a strawberry on your teeth, just eat one. Eating a strawberry or an apple increases the saliva production in your mouth and that cleanses it.
Number four is use a straw.
Liquids like coffee, tea, red wine, and cola can stain your teeth, so if you still want to enjoy these, just use a straw. I love coffee and I always drink it with a straw, and I have done so for years. And it's gotten to the point where I just drink everything through a straw, even water. So drink through a straw, guys. It'll save your teeth from those nasty stains. So just to be on the safe side, I always store a bunch of straws in my bag. I basically don't leave home without them.
Number 5. Number 5, guys, it's lipstick.
Choosing the right lipstick color can make your teeth appear whiter. Always opt for a lipstick with a blue or cool undertone, because this will counteract the warm tone of your teeth and makes them appear whiter. So, if in doubt, try on a lipstick before you buy it so you can see how your teeth look.
Okay, number 6. Use a lip scrub.
A lip scrub will not just eliminate flakes from your lips, it also promotes blood flow and makes your pout plumper. It also adds a light shade of pinkish red, which instantly makes your teeth look naturally whiter. It's ideal on days when you don't wear any makeup. Afterwards, make sure to add some lip balm or lip oil to your lips for some soothing moisture.
So guys, that was my video. I hope you guys liked my tips. I know it's not a lot of them, but those are the only things I do to make sure that my teeth stay white. Now I know there's professional facilities where you can go to whiten your teeth, and there are over-the-counter products like the strips you can put on your teeth to make them whiter. Personally, I have never tried a professional facility before. I approached one in the past. They told me there's not much they could do to make my teeth any whiter than they already are. And that highly upset me, because to me, they can always be whiter, but I have a little obsession, so as I disclosed earlier. But yeah, so if that's the way you want to go, or that's what you're considering, make sure you do your research. You only have one set of teeth. Do your research, get some referrals. Make sure you go to a credible facility to do it. You don't want to end up with pain and, you know, dental issues and all kinds of stuff like that. Try my tips. Let me know if you like them, if they work for you, if they made a difference. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.